We interrupt your television session. Please stand by. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for the following counties: Brooklyn, New York City; Queens, New York City; Staten Island, New York City. This watch will be effective until 2 p.m. September 9, 2027 Pacific Daylight Time. Residents in these areas are advised to stay tuned to local weather updates and be prepared to take action if necessary. Please remain vigilant and stay indoors, away from windows, if severe weather approaches. Follow any evacuation orders issued by local authorities, and have a plan in place to seek shelter in a safe location if a tornado warning is issued. Monitor weather conditions closely, and be prepared to take swift action to protect yourself and your loved ones. Also remember, a tornado watch means that weather conditions are conducive to the formation of tornadoes in and around the designated area. It is a precautionary measure that allows people to prepare for the possibility of tornadoes by staying informed and being ready to take action if needed. Normal programming will resume now. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Queens, New York City; Brooklyn, New York City; Staten Island, New York City. Effective until further notice. National Weather Service Doppler radar has detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 98 miles per hour and large hail. Residents in these areas should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. If outdoors, seek shelter immediately. Stay indoors until the storm passes, and listen for further updates. Hazards like damaging winds: seek shelter indoors to avoid potential damage from flying debris. Large hail: stay away from windows and seek shelter indoors to avoid injury from hail. Safety tips: secure outdoor objects such as patio furniture and trash cans to prevent them from becoming projectiles in the strong winds. Stay tuned to local news and weather updates for the latest information on this severe thunderstorm.
It for ya.
Hello. This is a CNN breaking news here. A tornado warning has been issued for Queens, New York City; Brooklyn, New York City; and Staten Island, New York City. Now an emergency alert system is gonna appear any second now.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Queens, New York City; Brooklyn, New York City; Staten Island, New York City. Effective until further notice. National Weather Service Doppler radar has indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado. Residents are strongly advised to take immediate shelter in a sturdy building, preferably in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor. Stay away from windows and doors, and protect yourself from flying debris by covering yourself with blankets or mattresses. Keep tuned to local news and weather updates for the latest information. Take this warning seriously, and prioritize your safety above all else. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Queens, New York City; Brooklyn, New York City; Staten Island, New York City. Effective until further notice. Tornado on the loose. This tornado is extremely causing danger to residents. This tornado is already an EF5 tornado already. All residents are strongly advised to take shelter immediately before this tornado destroys your house. Avoid vehicles. Stay away from windows. Go to an interior room on the lowest floor on a sturdy building. Also, if you have a basement, go down to that lowest basement floor. Make sure to stay there until the storm has dissipated. Quickly go seek shelter. This tornado is destroying more homes and buildings. Do not outrun a tornado by using a vehicle. If you're driving, find the nearest shelter available. Good luck surviving.
The National Weather Service in New York City has issued a tornado warning for Queens, New York City; Brooklyn, New York City; and Staten Island, New York City, effective until further notice. The tornado threat is getting worse and 90,000 houses and buildings have been destroyed. And 167 has died already. National Weather Service Doppler radar that this tornado is already 300 miles per hour now. This might be the end of our area until the tornado has dissipated.
The National Weather Service has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties: Queens, New York City; Brooklyn, New York City; Staten Island, New York City. The tornado threat has finally been dissipated. Since thousands of houses and buildings were destroyed, Queens, Brooklyn, and Staten Island became a ghost town, since it was wiped. We hope these counties will get restored soon. Stay tuned for updates.